Well, I just so happen to have all the pieces, so I'm gonna try and weld this back together. Okay, so if you saw the last video, you would have known right after I fixed the carburetor, this happened. This piece is jammed in the chain. I can't. It's not pretty, but I think it will do for a little while at least, until it breaks apart or this strips out, because it's not a whole lot for that to hold on to. And I even managed to save the clip. It broke right after this jump, and here we are.